Hello everyone, if you remember we are doing the checkpoint series. In the checkpoint we done the deployment method, we done the standalone deployment, and for distributed deployment method we already created 5 videos. Now this is a part 6 video. In this one we are going to test. So here if you remember, this is our scenario we have. Now we can test. You can see this is our LAN side we have. Now we have this security gateway. This is a security management server, and we can access and we can push the configuration. If you remember, this is a NAT and this is a policy we have. This is a cleanup policy I'm using now. Actually, if you remember in our previous video, we saw we added the security gateway in the SMS security management server. We added the security gateway. And also after that, what you need to do, just you need to go here, and we have this policy by default. You have drop here, so we can just click accept, and then after that you can publish this policy, and after that you can install that policy. You can install this policy, okay, like this. So it will install, it will go to the security gateway. We are pushing the policy to the security gateway. That's all. This is the remaining configuration we need to do, and NAT already we said before, so that will work. And now I have this one window 11. I can use the window 11 and I can try to access the internet. Here I taken the ISP router. This interface we configure 192.168.3.0 here, and this interface we configure 192.168.3.2. 3.1 here we configure 3.1, 3.2 here. And this router I connected with the NAT cloud, because this directly I cannot connect like we connected here. Same subnet IP we cannot assign to the two different interface, because this one we are using for management purpose. So here I connected to router, and here I enable the IP from the DHCP, so we get the default route here, and here NAT is enabled, so whatever we are sending we will forward here the default route. Already we have the default route. If you don't know, or if you did not remember, let me show you. Default route we need to configure via Gaia portal in the security gateway. After that, let me log in again here. I think I forget the password. Let me try again one more time. So here we have the gateway. If you go here, this IP static, this is a gateway. What is IP? This one, 192.168.3.2. so that one we are giving as a gateway. So this is a default route, we can say 192.168.3.2. okay, so this one, if you have something different, you can put this and click OK, click save. That's all. After that, I taken the window 11 here. So this is the window 11. I can try here. I try this. YouTube is working here. Facebook is also working here, and you can see X is also working. You can type here like example www.google.com, because we created the policy, cleanup policy, so everything can work. So now see, Google is working also. If you click, you will see Google is working, Facebook is working, everything is working. And if you want to check the logs also, you can see the logs here. If you see this one, if you click in the policy and refresh here, you will get the logs here. Whatever we are accessing, what is the port number, which policy it is hit, all that logs will be appearing here. Okay, whatever we are trying, and our computer IP is 192.168.1.5. this IP, this computer IP. You can see Google is opening here. This is the Facebook is open here. YouTube is here, and if you want to go back, you can go back also. This is Google. And if you want to go here inside any application, you can go. That all logs will appear. This is our virtual machine, window 11 I am using. If you want to check, you can write ipconfig, and ipconfig is working, and you can ping www.google.com. okay, so you will get the reply from there also, or you can see here also. See, Google is working here. You can click what you need. If you need YouTube, click YouTube. If you need Google News, you can use that one. And this is the logs, because here we enable the log, so you can refresh here, and all the logs, whatever is coming, it will appear here. We access the DNS of the Google, and whatever we are accessing, you will get here, destination, where we are going, what we are doing. Okay, so with this one we finish the deployment. Which one? Distributed deployment, this one, distributed deployment. Later we can enable here also, like we can create one more policy going from here to here or here to here. Already we use the cleanup policy from anywhere to anywhere, so we can do that one also. In next concept we will use this. Okay, here I want to show you like how we can deploy the checkpoint firewall in distributed deployment, and we learn here. We created 6 video I think, so try to watch all the video. If you face any problem, write in the comments, we are going to help you. Okay, we are going to help you and we are going to support you. Okay, so let me end the session.